Okay, so here's our setup. 4-phase systems, series 470, linear power supply. This variac here is attached to the AC going into the power supply, so up to 110 volts, 120 volts, line voltage. This multimeter is attached to that line voltage so we can see it as we increase it on the variac. This multimeter here is attached to the positive 5-volt rail that's regulated on the power supply. It is also attached to this 2-amp load and that LED. Hidden out of view is a foot switch, which if I release will cut AC power. Let's begin. So we are at 0%, and I will turn this up. And as a linear should, as the voltage increases, we begin to see a voltage on the 5-volt rail. The LED is now lighting. 4.8 volts at about 74, 75. So it is regulating as I increase it. The 5-volt adjustment does work. And as I bring it up towards 100% of line voltage, around 100 volts, as you can see, our regulation drops off. And as I increase my line voltage, DC continues going up, and then it just dropped out there at about 6 volts. That was the SCR cutting off the 5-volt rail for safety reasons.